Got a big swing out here, lifting up something or other. Maybe something to do with either the air conditioning or the elevator.
Whatever was delivered yesterday.
It was a couple of days ago.
A couple days ago.
Yeah, they were lifting all kinds of heavy shit off. And it is the first day of September. How long have they been working on this? Since about January?
Of which year?
Yeah. Well, that's something big and heavy anyway. Maybe it'll fall. Swinging around there, it's quite breezy, so. Something big and heavy,
Almost looks like air.
like a filter thing, eh? Like a ventilation system.
Yeah.
That looks like a big HEPA filter on the one side. Way up there. Seems to be taking its time coming down. They haven't really got much advancement on the outside of the building in the last whole month. It's looked pretty much the same.
The doors.
Oh, the doors are going in, yeah.
Are new.
Maybe by the time the snows fly. Yeah, it's some kind of ventilation. There's two big fans on the top of that you can see.